Let's talk about your business's most valuable piece of real estate. No, it's not the building itself, it's your storefront window. What if you could turn that window from just a piece of glass into your hardest working salesperson? One that literally never sleeps, never takes a break, and is out there selling for you 24/7. Let's dig into how that's not just possible, but easy.
You know, right now, your window might actually be costing you money. Seriously. Every single moment it shows an old, faded poster or an outdated promotion, that's a customer you've lost. We're talking about the real hidden costs of doing things the old-fashioned way.
Okay, let's put this side by side because the difference is night and day. The old way, that's paper posters. They fade in the sun, they cost you a couple $100 every single time you need a new one, and let's be honest, updating them is a total pain. So people just walk right by. But the new way, a digital display that's super bright, even in direct sunlight. Printing costs, zero. You update it instantly from your phone, and it can play video that actually stops people in their tracks. It's a no-brainer.
So here's a question you've got to ask yourself. When you lock up and go home for the night, does your marketing punch out too? Or is it still out there on the street, working hard, talking to every single person that walks past your store?
And this is where it all clicks. Think of this as hiring a new employee, your best one yet. A digital salesperson that sits right in your window promoting your business around the clock. It doesn't need a salary, it doesn't take vacations, it just works. And it's always perfectly on message.
And get this, the numbers don't lie. Putting video on these screens grabs 400% more views than a boring old static sign. That's not just a little better, that's a whole different league of attention. 4 times the eyeballs.
And here's the kicker. Somewhere between 30 and 40% of all customer engagement, people looking at your window, thinking about your business, it happens outside of your normal business hours. If your window is dark, you're literally invisible to a huge chunk of your potential customers.
So let's just break it down. Here's why digital wins every time. You can change a promo in like 30 seconds, right from your phone. You can schedule your ads, breakfast, lunch, happy hour. It all happens automatically. You will never pay for printing posters again. You're cutting down on waste and making your brand look sleek and modern. And the big one, you are actively selling to people even when the doors are locked.
Now let's be clear about what this is. This is not some regular TV you stick in a window and hope for the best. No way. This is commercial-grade tech, built from the ground up to do one job. Make your business look incredible and sell more stuff. I mean, just look at it. It's clean, it's professional, and it's designed to fit right into your storefront. This is the very first thing people are going to see, and man, does it make an incredible first impression.
And let's translate these features into real-world benefits, right? Sunlight Readable just means you never lose a sale because of glare. Simple. Commercial grade means this thing is a workhorse designed to run 24/7 for over 50,000 hours. Cloud CMS? That's total control from anywhere on your phone. And 30-minute setup means you're up and running in no time, not wrestling with tech. Okay, so let's see this in action. For real estate, it's a total game changer. You can run video tours of homes all day and all night. A house sells at 3 p.m., the listing is gone from the window by 3:01. The problem of outdated flyers in your window is just gone, forever.
Or what about a restaurant? It's all about timing. This is automation at its best. Your breakfast menu pops up at 7 a.m., your lunch specials take over at noon, and your happy hour deals show up right at 5 o'clock. You set the schedule one time, and it just works. And for retail, it's all about speed. You decide to run a flash sale right now. Boom! The announcement is live across all your stores in seconds. You can launch a new collection with a beautiful, eye-catching video instantly. It's that fast. This even works for industries like banking, where you need to be absolutely precise. Imagine updating mortgage rates across every single branch at exactly 9:01 a.m. Everyone sees the correct, compliant info at the same time. That's the kind of control you have.
And finally, think about healthcare. Communication is absolutely critical. You can share clinic hours, post important health tips, or push out an emergency announcement with zero delay. It frees up your staff to help patients, not mess with paper signs.
But look, we've all been there. You buy some new piece of tech and you're excited, but you're also a little scared. What happens after it arrives? Well, this is about way more than just a screen. It's about a complete service that makes sure you actually get the results you want.
And this quote right here, this says it all. The big difference isn't just the technology, it's the partnership. It's about having a real team that has your back.
And here's exactly what that partnership looks like. It starts with a real conversation, a consultation. Then comes professional installation. They even help you get your first pieces of content set up. And after that, you get ongoing support from real people right here in the US. They basically handle everything, so you can just focus on running your business.
Okay, so you've seen the problem, you've seen the solution, and you've seen the support that comes with it. The next logical step is to see exactly how this would work for your specific business.
So really, the only question left is, are you ready? Are you ready to stop letting your window be a liability and finally turn it into your #1 asset?
And let me be clear, getting a quote isn't some stressful, high-pressure thing. It's just a conversation to get you answers. You'll get recommendations tailored for your space and a hard and fast price. No surprises, no games, just the information you need.
Your new 24/7 salesperson is ready to get to work. All you have to do is make the call or send a quick email. It's time to transform your storefront.